This is a tutorial on using the 2020 JS plugin. Typically, we place images side by side. This can cause a problem when we want to showcase visual differences between two objects. The 2020 plugin allows you to showcase the visual differences between the objects. It brings the images into focus, highlighting these differences. It's a responsive and functional framework for all devices, and it doesn't require images to work. So how does it work? First, you're going to need to go and download the plugin, and you can simply click on the Here button, and that will allow you to download the plugin. You unzip the file, you copy the 2020 CSS file and move it into your CSS folder. Then you're going to copy the jQuery 2020 JS file and the jQuery event move JS file to your JS folder. You're going to attach the CSS to the top of your HTML file as shown here. You're going to attach the JS files and the latest jQuery CDN to the end of your HTML file before the closing body tag. Place your images in the appropriate folder and then embed them inside a div tag within the body of the page. You can add the CSS class container, and this will help you to avoid the flash of unstyled content, and it is optional. I did not use that in this demonstration. The first image that you place will be the before picture, and the second image is the after picture. You're going to attach the main container function to the div element containing the images. Add a new script tag inserting the following snippet of code. You can add the default offset PCT option parameter to set where the drag handle appears by default, but this also is optional. So here's the result. You can see when you hover over it, you get a before and after text. So this is my before image, this is my after image. When I drag this over, you can tell the difference between the images. And this way you can tell even the slightest little difference in what's been changed or any type of visual difference. How does it work? It stacks two images on top of each other. As the slider moves across the image, it makes use of the CSS clip property to trim the image on the left. This allows the image on the right to show through the container. Here was the CSS that was used. And this is just a couple of other examples. Canada Goose uses this clipping feature to show the difference between counterfeit and authentic materials before buying their items. See how you can see just the slightest little difference in certain things? They also do it for this image, for their fur ruffle. And the difference in the hologram. Also have a demo from a site that my company currently works with. And they do a lot of photography and filming, so you can see the differences here. These are the before, this is the after. And again, this one also. If you have any questions about the presentation, feel free to email me or message me. And thank you.